Hi, welcome to DGP Star Vision. Today we shall discuss about doubling principle. In the previous class I explained you about the halving principles part 1 and 2. Halving principle is about halving the stroke for additional sound of T and D. Here doubling principle is for doubling the stroke, preceding stroke for the sound of ter, der and ter. I'll explain you the rules. This is also a very important chapter in English shorthand. Ter, der, ter is indicated by doubling the length of the preceding stroke. Here example 5. F full stroke, I diphthong, this is 5. Then fighter, F you have to double the stroke. So this become fighter. Then 10. T with N hook, this is 10. Tender, T you have to double it for der sound. So this is tender. Here you have to place the oval. At the preceding stroke you have to mark the oval. This is a second place oval. Then 9. N with I diphthong, this is 9. For neither, it is N you have to double. So this becomes neither. So this is track, ter and K, track. Then for tractor, see before ter sound the stroke will come. That stroke we have to double it. Ter, then K you have to double. Then this become tractor. There are some more example. Sector, S-C-S-E-C-T-O-R. So circle is K, you have to double for sector. I'll explain you again. Ter, der, ter is indicated by doubling the length of the preceding stroke. That is 5 F with I diphthong. For fighter, see F you have doubled. If you write the stroke, if you double the stroke of F, it will become fighter, F with I diphthong. Then 10. Tender, T I have doubled for der sound. Then 9, N with I diphthong, neither, der. Here N is doubled for der sound. Then track, tractor, ter, K. K is doubled for ter sound. Then sector, S, K. K is doubled for ter sound. Then stroke MP and NG are doubled for sound when not finally and initially hooked. The stroke MP and NG. MP you have to write the thickened form of M. This is either MP or MP. Then ing. Ing stroke is like this is the ing stroke. These strokes are doubled for ER sound when not finally and initially hooked. There should not be any hook. Then we have to write the doubled stroke. This is bump. B with M I have thickened for MP sound. Bumper. Bumper you have to write like this. B, M you have to double. This is bumper. Then vamper. V-A-M-P-E-R. You have to V, then M you have to double. This become vapor. The third point is the stroke L standing alone with a final circle attached. It is doubled for ter only. The stroke L when it stands alone and when there is a final circle attached to it, it has to be doubled only for the ter sound letter. See, L is doubled for ter sound, letters L doubled and circle is alter, a oval, then L is doubled, alters, then circle S. Here leader, L, der, you have to write the full stroke. Because here L is not standing alone. After L there is a D. Here after L there is a it. That's why I wrote leader L and der. I have not doubled L here. because here only L stroke is not there. There are other strokes also. So for leather also L is not standing alone. So I wrote the full form. The next point is doubling principle is not employed when a vowel follows ter or der. When there is a vowel after ter or der sound, at that time you have to write the full stroke. You cannot employ the doubling principle. Feather. Feather, I doubled the stroke for F. This is feather. Okay. For feathery, F and ter. So here after here there is a E vowel. So I wrote F, ter and E vowel. Anger. Anger, I doubled the ing stroke for anger. Okay. For angry you cannot employ the doubling principle here because after R there is a E vowel. N, ger. Here a sound one vowel. After ger there is a E vowel. Then next point is doubling principle in phraseography. In there. In there here N you have to double it. Then take their way. T, K you have to double it. Then V. I can be there. I can be you have to write double stroke. Then I know there is. I know there is. N you have to double for their sound, their sound. So there is a circle S. Doubling principles in phraseography. The first one is in there. N is doubled for there. I know there is. I is a diphthong. N is doubled for there and here circle S. Take their way. T. K is doubled for R sound. Take their way. Then I can be there. There are some more phrases in the doubling principle chapter. You can refer Pitman English Shorthand book for that and you can practice it. This is all about doubling principle. As I told you, halving principle and doubling principles are the very important chapter in English Shorthand. You have to practice more. You refer Pitman English Shorthand book. If you have any doubts, you can WhatsApp me to my mobile number 7892247571. Please subscribe to my channel to get more videos related to English Shorthand. Happy learning. Take care. Bye-bye.